This is Samsung Galaxy A34, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can clear all app cache and data on this device. So first step you need to take is to open the Settings app, then find and enter the apps category. Next you will need to find the app from the list of all installed apps that you have. So let's say I'll go with Opera, and at the following page you will need to tap at the storage section, and in here you can either clear the cache by tapping at the respective clear cache option to your bottom right, or go to the manage storage page and choose to erase all app data or user data. So that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.